Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into full backups, the border rock of any robust data protection plan. In this video, you will learn what full backups are, why they are used, and how they can fit into your overall backup strategy to keep your data safe and sound. First, let's understand the definition of backups. A full backup is the most straightforward type of backup. It captures the entire dataset, every file, every table, every record at a specific point in time. Essentially, it's a complete snapshot of all your data. This means that if you ever need to restore from a full backup, you have everything in one place, making the recovery process more direct and less complex compared to other backup methods. Okay, but why the full backups are important? There are three things. The first is the comprehensive coverage, like you capture all files and data in a single snapshot, leaving no room for missed item. Number two, simplicity. Restores are more straightforward. You grab your single full backup file or set and restore it. No need to to piece together multiple increment or differential backups. Number three, data integrity. Like because everything is backed up at once, there is less risk of mismatch or missing records during restoration. Okay, what are the trade-offs of full backups? We have maybe three things in mind. The first thing we have, which is the longer backup times, because you are copying everything. A full backup can be time consuming, especially in large environments. Number two, higher storage requirements, like you need more disk space or cloud storage to store these hefty backup files. Number three, the impact on system resources, like running all full backup can load your system heavily, and organizations often schedule them during off-peak hours. Okay, so when and how often do do full backups? So many teams perform full backups on a weekly basis, commonly over the weekend or whenever user activity is the lowest. Then they fill the gap between full backups with either incremental or differential backups. This way, you are not doing massive backups every day, but you still have regular, complete snapshots for easier restores. Okay, what are the best practices for full backups? I would say the first thing, which will be to schedule appropriately, like run full backups during off-peak hours to minimize performance impact. Number two, rotate storage location, like keep at least one off-site or cloud-based copy. Like disasters can affect on perm storage, so you want redundancy. Number three, test your restores. A backup you can't restore is worthless. Regularly test your full backup files to verify they are intact and restorable. Number four, use comprehensive and encryption. Use compression and encryption. Like backup solutions often provide compression to reduce storage usage and encryption to protect sensitive data in transit and at rest. Okay. Um, there are some things either like there is integrating full backups into a border strategy, like you can use like incremental backups or differential backups. I will not talk about them right now because we created dedicated videos only for them, but I guess it's a good idea to make like a wrap up. So, to wrap it up, full backups might seem old school, but they remain an indispensable part of modern data protection. They provide the clearest path to a reliable restore point and act as the foundation for more sophisticated backup strategies. If you are just getting started with backups or you manage mission critical data, full backups are a must have in your toolkit. Thanks for watching this video and see you in future videos.